Hello guys, welcome back to Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, today we're flying in Shoreditch. We're in Shoreditch Park to be specific. And yeah, without further ado, we are going to now take off. Drone's up in the air. I thought I nearly hit a bird, but we're good. So yeah, we're going to get some nice shots in this area hopefully. We're just going to zip around after. We're going to get a 360-degree photo. Just get a nice gimbal shot of this building over here. Look at that, that's amazing. Alright, we'll stop recording. We'll get a 360-degree photo. All right, 360-degree photo is now complete, and now I'm just going to go back into video mode, and we'll just zip around Shoreditch. So yeah, let's go around. Yesterday I did a flight in Wimbledon. That'll be down on my channel as well. So it's autumn right now, golden hour. Let's explore that area down here. Look at that, that's an amazing shot. Let's get a shot of this little house over there, this area. Let's go straight down for a bit. That is a nice shot. Look at the trees. It's literally autumn now, so we're gonna get autumn colours. I hope we get more weather like this where it's sunny, because it's been cloudy. Weather's been cloudy. For the past 2 days, weather's actually been amazing. So yeah, we're just gonna head down this way. So I'm filming 25 FPS again. I think 25 FPS is the sweet spot for filming. We're gonna go like this way and get a shot this way and see what's down here. And actually, you know what? Let's just head back. Get a nice shot of heading back towards London. I mean, we're in Hackney. So I've done pretty much most of the London boroughs. I flew my drone in most London boroughs basically. So this is my next London borough that I flew in, which is Hackney. So yeah, look at that shot. Really nice golden hour shot. Get a shot, we'll go towards London. And that's an amazing shot. We'll just keep going down. We'll go down this road down there. Look at that. That is amazing. Go towards this little road down there. Look at that. We'll go towards the heart of London. Look at that. Amazing shot. That is amazing. Look at that shot. I'll go towards this little building down here. I don't go that close to it, but we'll just get a nice shot in this area. Look at that. That is so sick, that shot. We'll just stay static here for a while. Go down here. So we'll do, we'll head back now. Actually, we should head back faster so we get a nice shot. We'll head back towards the park area.
Get my bag and my phone.
So what we'll do, we'll go the other way. I wonder where else we can go in this area. Let's go down to these cranes. We'll go nearby. Look at that. We'll go through it. Look at that. That is an amazing shot. Look at that. Go right through it, and that's it. Let's see what's below. That is look at that shot. That is amazing. Look at that, we're near the crane right now. Look at that shot of the shard as well. Get a nice shot of this crane over here. Of course we go, oh my god, we're actually so close to it, but I can see the drone right there. It doesn't look like we're anywhere close to it, but from the drone it looks like we're so close to it. I can see it right there. We're fine, we're not going to hit it. Looks like we are going to hit it, but let's get a nice shot of going through here. Check it, we're going to get a sick shot. We'll go through these both cranes. So go through both of them. Look at that shot. That is an amazing shot. Look at that. Get a shot of this little sky garden down there. There's a sky garden in this area. I remember when I flew in Wimbledon yesterday, I was going to go through the crane, but obviously that was way too risky. I didn't want to hit my drone. I don't want my drone to get hit by the crane. I flew in. I flew yesterday, literally, because the last 2 days was sunny. When I do my drone flights, I usually do it in close days with each other, because the weather has been good recently. Tomorrow is probably going to be cloudy, so I'll probably not be doing drone flights in a while, because I actually want sunny drone flights, and it's windy as well. Some days where it's sunny, it's also windy, so that's why I don't do a drone flight then also. Let's get a shot of this car going down here, this little Mini. Another thing is that I've got a fast charging power bank. What I can actually do if I want, when I finish with a drone flight, I immediately just put it on charge, and then, like, because I got a 30-watt charger, this drone charges at 30 watts, so I can like go to a different location, and then by the time I get to that location, my drone will be fully charged. So I basically won't need 2 batteries. All I need is 1 battery, and just charge it. It's actually much better. So I don't have to get another battery. I just use the. I was actually thinking of doing that yesterday when I went for Wimbledon. I was close to a place called Morden, and I was gonna do a drone flight then, but I thought about doing that after, but it was too late now. It was too late at that time. Like, but what I could have done, I could have just put my drone immediately in charge, gone to that other area, and I would have been able to get a nice shot. Follow the area. We'll follow that car going down here. Going to the exact same area again. What a nice shot. Look at that. Amazing shot. See, the buildings look amazing in this area. Look at that. What we'll do, we'll track this bus back to where I am. Look at that. The bus is going down here. I'm stopping at the bus stop now, so I'm probably just going to go ahead and just get some nice shots in this area. What I might do this time, I might go down a different road. So we'll go down here, get a shot down this area, down here. Alright, we'll head back. We won't go that far. What a nice shot. Actually, what we can do, we can actually carry on, because I want to go down to this building or down there. I think I can see that from here, so should be able to reach that. Alright, I think I'm just going to head back anyway. Let's just head back. Let's get a shot of the helicopter. It's much higher than the drone is. Let's see where it is. Well, I can't see with the drone, but I can see it in real life. I want to see if I can see it down here. Like, it's down here actually. Actually, yeah, you can see helicopter right there. Could have got a sick shot of it, but what we'll do, we'll get a sideways shot in this area. We'll follow this bus. Amazing thing about this drone, I could easily just track something from a distance away. We'll go down this area. Let's see if we can actually catch up to that red car down there. We've pretty much been everywhere in this area. I wanted to like explore a different road or area, so I think we'll do that. We'll go down here. We'll go by the canal side. There's no main road down here, so nothing to track. What I could do, I can go down this area down here. Wait, we'll find it. It's actually down here. This is building. At the side of the park, there's this little building. There are actually multiple buildings that look like it, so I don't want to go too close to it. Actually, yeah, it's that building down there. We're going on a different route. We'll go towards that little building down here. Look at that. Got a nice shot down here. Look at it, we see London Eye. We see the City of London. Look at that building, that is amazing. Right, we'll head back now. The battery's low, so we'll just head back. Then we get a close-up shot of these buildings down here. Get a shot of the autumn colours as well. We'll get a shot of this tennis court as well. Look at that, we'll get a nice shot of this last descending shot. Look at that, that's amazing. Right, we'll land the drone now. We'll land it away from the sun. Actually, no, the sun's down now. I can see it landing. I don't know why it's doing that. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Shoreditch Park in Hackney. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.